Ever feel lost in the sea of information, not knowing what to learn next? You're motivated, but there is no clear roadmap for your journey, whether it's programming, AI, or data science. The lack of direction can leave us stuck. What if I told you AI can solve this problem for you? Today, we are building a tool that generates personalized learning roadmaps using AI. Let's get started and see how this tool works. Let's start building our AI roadmap generator. We are using Streamlit for its intuitive design and real time updates, making it perfect for rapid development. To generate these roadmaps, we are leveraging Google's Gemini, which processes user inputs and crafts a personalized learning roadmaps. And the best part, it's completely free. I'll include a link in the right top corner so you can easily get your Gemini API keys and build along with me. First, we'll set up title and a short description for this app, and then we'll run it. To make it seamless, we'll keep the app running in the browser alongside VS Code as we build further. We'll make necessary imports and we'll also initialize some session variables such as user input and response text to make the app interactive. I'll create a list of available models from Gemini so that I can change it whenever I want. For this demo, I'm going to use Gemini 2.0 Flash. Let's add an input area where user inputs a topic or tool that they want to learn. And we'll add a create roadmap button to create the roadmap by calling the LLM. Prompting is an iterative process, and the prompt which I'm using here is stored in a separate file. If you'd like access, subscribe to my channel and DM me on Instagram. I'll be happy to share it with you. Here's how the tool works. Let's say I want to learn about React. All I need to do is type that into the text box and hit the create roadmap button. And here it is. The AI has generated a personalized learning roadmap tailored to my goal. It has included foundational topics, intermediate concepts, advanced skills, and even direct reference links. Now let's say I want to create a roadmap for Selenium plus Java automation. And it nails it again. Let's add functionality to save the output as Markdown file. This feature is incredibly useful for the users who wants to keep a permanent reference of their AI generated roadmaps or easily share them with their friends and colleagues. Let's modify the code and align things with multiple columns and add a functionality to save the output as a markdown. And a button to reset the inputs. Want to save your roadmap for later? Just hit that Save As Markdown button and the tool creates neatly formatted file for you. If you check the drive, you can see the generated Markdown file and you can share it with others. Not happy with the result or want to try something new? Just hit reset and the tool clears everything. Let's try another example. Even for specific topics like learning about Gemini AI API, this tool can deliver structured plans. However, there's a guardrail. If you ask something non technical or too generic, the tool won't generate anything. And that's how you can use AI to generate personalized learning roadmaps in seconds. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up, this tool is here to guide you. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and share your feedback or suggestions in the comments. One of you recently asked for a tool to assist with interviews in my previous video, and I might tackle that next. I'll also be pushing these projects to GitHub soon, so anyone can access and use it. Let me know what tool you'd like to see me build next. Let's keep exploring the incredible possibilities of AI together.